It's hailing! It's hailing! Look at it! Ah! It hit me in the face! Ah! It's getting me in the face! It's hailing!
Alright.
More like mushy, you know. Hail's kind of mushy.
Full drive, go down. You ready? Come in.
It's scary. Ready? Are you ready to go back inside?
Yes.
I'm gonna go the long way or the short way? Long way or short way? I'm gonna go the long way.
Short way.
Okay. Ah! 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 Scary. Okay, just in like a minute worth of time, it got so much worse. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. That is some crazy shit, yo. Colorado weather, why you do this?
It's almost like that time we were at NDK.
I know! That was horrible.
That was no, never again.
But we had a dude, he's in that car all the way over there. Like come for whatever it's called, like a maintenance thing. And he was outside and he had to go inside his car because it started raining and now it's hailing and it was crazy. Alright, so here's an update on what's happening in my neighborhood. It's hailing very big huge chunks now. And I don't know if you can see it. It's like uber flooded over there. Like, oh my god. This is only, I think, in like 10 minutes, maybe less, give or take. Yeah, it was like 5 or 10 minutes that all of this happened. Like, holy shit. Crazy Colorado weather, am I right?
Yes.
Crazy! But we love it anyway. And it's really loud! Oh no, it's bouncing off the roof.
The more you know.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like it's like bouncing off of my roof. Ah, my car! I hope my car doesn't get hail damage. Oh, like my dog, I don't know if you can see her. She's like inside, like, oh my god, what's going on? Like, oh my god. Oh, look at these people driving in this weather. I want to touch it. Drink it if it's good for you. Here. Touch it. Huh?
Window well going up.
I don't know. It might be. Whoa! It should be.
Ow. Yeah.
You up to the drain yet?
I don't think so, because he said that it gets to the height of it.
How you gonna get up over the top of the window well?
Yeah, it's not that high. What are you doing?
Trying to see if I can zoom in on that.
I'm trying it.
I don't know if they can see down there. Yeah. So much fun, right?
Yeah.
Oh, close up of your face. And get out of the way. Oh no, our garden. Aww. Okay.
You want to curl?
No, I'm good. And now it's like kind of not as bad, but it's still going. Oh look, the trees are really pretty over there. I like those trees. Those trees in the background are really pretty. Randomness. Anyway, I don't know if this will be our last venture outside or not. We'll see. I don't know. What do you think?
Probably, maybe.
Maybe, depending on if it gets worse and it scares us, we will come back out. So yeah, wish us luck.
Oh, looks like it's about over.
See. Crazy! Anyway, I'm gonna close my garage door now. Say goodbye, everybody. Bye!